All right, new arrival, 1996 993 C4S in beautiful midnight blue, metallic over classic gray interior. And this paint, this original paint, is protected by PPF from nose to tail. So from the front all the way to the back, every single surface is protected with a PPF wrap. Stunning, not a scratch on it, not a ding. Laser straight, big turbo brakes, the big reds, optional rear wiper, which I think is pretty cool. So it's a two-owner car, but one owner for most of its life. Changed hands only about a year or two ago, and it was serviced around that time too. I have all the records for that. Original window stickers included. Fantastic car. Also upgraded Porsche Classic radio with the CarPlay, with only 22,421 documented miles. Super clean car, excellent Carfax on it. And very tight too, drives like a brand new car. So again, 1996 993 C4S, an optional midnight blue metallic, contrasted by a classic gray interior.